Good evening. Welcome back to Experience in Medicine. Should I take the vaccine? This video has been made as a response to the different questions I got from the should I take the vaccine? And some of the questions they are quite interesting. Some may consider them ludicrous, but I believe every question is valid. And we will answer the few questions that I was able to look at when I got a response, and I will try and address it in a simple and layman way that it's easy for everybody to understand. One of the most important questions which we got was the fact that will the vaccine adjust by DNA? I think this question may have come up really because of the way the vaccine, the Moderna and the Pfizer platform in which is made, which is the mRNA, which I already talked about. However, one of the things is the fact that yes, it will, or no, it will not affect your DNA. The mRNA is a short form for messenger RNA. So that means the ribonucleic acid sends a message to our immune cells telling the immune cells how to build an antibody to the coronavirus. That's exactly what it does. So therefore, the mRNA, which is the messenger RNA, does not enter the nucleus of the cell. It does not affect or interact with any person's DNA. So these instructions are relayed in that messenger RNA on how the cells can make a piece of the spike protein that's on top of the coronavirus and unique to that SARS virus, and then make an antibody to it. So it does not affect our DNA in any way. A second question which you get was that will it affect our fertility? I'm not sure how this question came about, but I think it also has to do with the same mRNA DNA sequence where the genetics are involved. But the reality is that it does not affect fertility. So therefore, it does not prevent people from being able to get pregnant in the future. The third question which we got was how long does the immunity last? From the New England Journal of Medicine, we know that natural immunity that occurs from having SARS virus lasts about 6 months. And this, from the vaccine, probably lasts about a year. And this is another question which we got. Is it safe for children, pregnant or immunocompromised people? Out of the 44,000 that was studied for Pfizer and the 30,000 that studied for Moderna, there were no children or pregnant or immunocompromised individuals studied, because for most of those studies, they are actually deliberately excluded. But based on the platform in which it was made, then it's very unlikely that it is going to affect this group of individuals in an adverse way. One, there's no live virus, there's no virus involved, either inactivated or live. And secondly, it is just a message that's been sent to the immunity, and it's been sent to our immunity to be able to make antibodies, and therefore this group of people will probably benefit from the vaccine. Is there any microchip being inserted? I've had 2 of the vaccines taken, it's 2 doses, and there's no microchip. It's with a small blue needle, the liquid inside, and it goes into your arm. There are no microchip being inserted. Another question which was asked, is there a mark of the beast of some sort? There's no mark of the beast of some sort being put in. This is a vaccine no different from a regular vaccine like a measles, mumps, rubella vaccine. Last and important question which we also addressed was allergy. Yes, there may be some allergy that may occur from the polyethylene glycol that is part of the component of the vaccine, but otherwise there is no evidence that there is an allergy that occurs from that piece of the protein, but the components of the vaccine, like any other vaccine, a person could be allergic to it. I hope this answers the questions, and if there are any other important questions, we will answer it on a different video. Thank you.